Google Play Store apps is not displayed on your smart TV. So how to fix it? Click here setting option. Find a setting option on your TV, and after that guys click here this setting option, and after that find here apps option in your TV. If there are any apps option here, so find here manage app and app management option, okay, on your TV, and then click on it. And after that guys click here see all apps option, and find here in this list Google Play Store. So we are find here, try to find here. So guys you can see here there are a Google Play Store option, okay. If this option is not displayed here, click here show system app and find your Google Play Store apps, okay. So after find click here, okay, and after that guys you can see here there are a enable option, okay. Now click on it and enable this Play Store, okay. And after that guys click here clear cache, click on it and click here OK. And after that guys click here permission option, okay. You can see here there are some option. If microphone is on here, you can ask every time, check this box, okay, and back. And after that guys go back, and after that guys click here for stop option, click on it and click here OK. Now guys click here open button. If your TV is connected with the internet, Play Store apps gets open. Now click on apps. So guys we are not connected with Wi-Fi, so go back and go back and check here your Google Play Store apps get back on your TV. So guys if you like this video and your problem is fixed here, so please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you so much.